Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Wajid Muri. I am Deputy District Prosecutor, Islamabad. It was wonderful experience of professional development course which was organized by Federal Judicial Academy. All sessions were highly enlightened, very insightful and very thought-provoking. We learned a great deal of practical hand-on experience and judges' perspective particularly, the how to evaluate that evidence, how to conduct a preliminary inquiry at initial level, that whether a case is fit for trial, how much evidence which we have, and how we will be prosecuting an accused. And the most important thing which we learned is that not to prosecute an innocent person, and not to overcharge a person, and not to charge a wrongful person in commission of any offense. It was the major takeaway was the critical thinking. We learned that we need not to worry about the invisible fear. We need to get out of our comfort zone. We must think out of the box, and we must break the glass ceiling which most of the government officials have while while their services rendering to the nation. We learned the judge's perspective. We learned the tools. The most important tool is syllogism, that how to evaluate your evidence, how to present your evidence in eloquent way. We learned the different degrees of cogency. That is the yardstick through which judges appreciate and appraise an evidence. It was really thought-provoking, very insightful, and we got it from very seasoned judges who are rendering their valuable services in Federal Judicial Academy. Once again, we are very thankful to Federal Judicial Academy for providing this wonderful opportunity to the prosecutors in professional development course, and we hope that it will not be the only and last session, and we will be coming again, and we will be given this opportunity, and our other fellows are also given this opportunity to learn from such an insightful training session. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Khalil. I am Assistant District Public Prosecutor, Sheikhupura, and I am just done with my training program with the Federal Judicial Academy, and I just want to say that this is the very good initiative by the Federal Judicial Academy, that the new recruits like us, they have been training in a different way. We learned so many things by the whole staff, by the whole teachers. They teach us very well. They proceed us towards a different direction. They taught us that how we are to think out of the box, we are to seal the barriers, and how we are to work in the field in a different way, to boost up, to aggrandize the way, and to explore the world in a different perspective, and to cover each and every aspect of law. And we are to do this in a great progressive way, because we need this system to enhance our power and to establish the rule of law. And secondly, I would say that these trainings should be conducted every conducted batch for the new recruits, so they would do more efficiently in the field. Thank you so much. I'm highly indebted to Judicial Federal Academy that they arranged this training center for us, and we really got so many things that are exceptional. Thank you.
I am Sayyid Ghanisha and presently posted as Assistant Deputy District Prosecutor, Islamabad, and I have been honored with an opportunity to participate into 1 week professional course for prosecutors. It was a great experience. We have learned a lot of new things which can help prosecutors in making the prosecution of the cases very effective. And we have learned medical jurisprudence. We have learned about the anti-money laundering regime, which was somewhat alien for us. We were not being very good enough with that. And we have been taught about the way prosecutors should evaluate evidence for increasing the conviction rates, to suppressing the crimes and saving the innocent person from the rigors of the law. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rifat Naz, Assistant District Public Prosecutor from DG Khan. I was the part of professional development course in Federal Judicial Academy, Islamabad, and it was a wonderful experience. I cannot explain it in less time. Actually, we learned a lot of things, and from lot of perspectives. We were used to see things from one side, and here we are trained that how we can see the whole picture, we can see all minute details, and how we can professionally use these things. So for me, it's a very good and very good exercise, and I'm definitely going to use it in my future professional life. These trainings must be conducted on regular basis, and I would suggest that police and prosecutors must be collaborated, and these trainings should be on the basis of their collaboration, and both should be the part of these trainings. Thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Arshad Ali Khattak from Sawat, posted as an Assistant Public Prosecutor, District Buner, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. फेडरल जुडिशल एकेडमी ने जो हमारा ट्रेनिंग एक वीक का जो 1 वीक का ट्रेनिंग था, यहाँ पे हमने 1 वीक पे ट्रेनिंग ली, और यहाँ पे इस एक हफ्ते में जो हमने सीखा, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि 2-3 साल प्रैक्टिस में ये चीज़ें हमारे सामने कभी ना आई थी और ना इस लेवल पे हमने इसके बारे में सोचा था। यहाँ पे हमें ये बताया गया कि प्रोसिक्यूटर एज अ प्रोसिक्यूटर आपकी अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स दी केसेस क्या होनी चाहिए, और प्रोसिक्यूशन और परसिक्यूशन के बीच आपको डिफरेंस किस तरह लेके आना है कि ये अगर प्रोसिक्यूशन है तो उसको आप कोर्ट में ट्रायल के लिए ना भेजो, अगर ये है प्रोसिक्यूशन और रियली जो ऑफेंडर है ही इज़ इन्वॉल्व इन द कमीशन ऑफ ऑफेंस, तो फिर इसको देख के आपने किस तरीके से केस को इनिशियली फ्रॉम द लॉजिंग ऑफ एफआईआर आपने किस तरीके से इसको इन्वेस्टिगेटिव ऑफिसर को गाइड करना है, फिर इसी एविडेंस को कोर्ट में किस तरह प्रोड्यूस करना है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि जो बेसिक चीज़ें थी हमारे लिए यहाँ पे हमने बड़ी ज़बरदस्त लर्निंग हमारी हुई, और मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि ज़िंदगी में पहली दफ़ा हमारे साथ ये हुआ कि बस हम चाहते थे कि ये टाइम जो है ये रुक जाए और ये लर्निंग जो है ये लर्निंग प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू रहे। जो यहाँ पे ट्रेनर्स थे, हर एक ट्रेनर से हमने बहुत ज़बरदस्त लर्निंग की, डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव पे सारे ट्रेनर्स जो है वो डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स लेकर आए थे, और हर टॉपिक पे हमने बड़ी ज़बरदस्त लर्निंग की, और हम चाहते थे कि ये वक्त यहाँ पे रुक जाए और ये लर्निंग प्रोसेस जो है ये कंटिन्यू हो जाए। तो मेरा सजेशन भी यही होगा पूरी प्रोसिक्यूशन डिपार्टमेंट्स थ्रू पाकिस्तान कि इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स जो है ये खामखा अरेंज करते रहे, ताकि प्रोसिक्यूशंस का जो प्रोसिक्यूटर्स है वो डेवलप हो सके और क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम में वो अपना रोल ठीक ठाक प्ले करके, क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम में रोल प्ले करके जो ऑफेंडर्स है उसको अंजाम तक पहुंचा सके। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sidra. Basically, I'm an assistant public prosecutor from Peshawar. I was part of professional development course for prosecution conducted by Federal Judicial Academy. मेरा ओवरऑल यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखा। हम लोग जब यहाँ पे आए थे तो मेरा एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव था, लेकिन जब मैं अब यहाँ से जा रही हूँ तो मेरा एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव है। हमें इफ़ेक्टिव प्रोसिक्यूशन के बारे में बताया गया, इफ़ेक्टिव प्रोसिक्यूशन किस तरह से क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है। हमें यहाँ पे एक केस को किस तरीके से हम लोगों ने प्रिपेयर करना है, उसको किस तरीके से आर्गूमेंट करना है, हमारा एक डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे डेवलप हुआ। और इससे पहले मैंने जितनी भी ट्रेनिंग्स ली थी उसके मुकाबले में मेरा यहाँ पे ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, और मैं यही कहूँगी कि प्रोसिक्यूटर्स के लिए ऐसी ट्रेनिंग कंडक्ट करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे जो है एक डेवलपमेंट होगी, हमारा डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो एक बेहतर रास्ते की तरफ जाएगा। क्योंकि क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम में जो प्रोसिक्यूशन है तो वो एक अहम किरदार अदा करता है, वो एक स्टेक होल्डर है और हमें उस पर काम करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।